Today, I'll walk you through how to make a hanging indent for an MLA Works Cited page on Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to format your citations correctly so you can present your work with confidence. First, let's get started by opening Google Docs. Simply navigate to the Google Docs website. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google updates its interface from time to time. Once you're there, you can either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your works cited page. Next, paste the cited text into your document. This is where you'll be entering your references. If you have your citations ready, just copy and paste them into the document. Take your time, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now let's focus on the font settings. Click on the font menu at the top of the page. This will allow you to ensure that your text is in a readable format. MLA style typically requires a readable font like Times New Roman size 12. Make sure your citations are set to this standard. After adjusting the font, look for the blue down arrow in the upper corner of the font menu. This arrow is your gateway to more formatting options. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time to adjust the indentation. In the drop-down menu, find the option for indentation options. Click on it and a new window will pop up. Here you can set the special indentation to hanging. This means that the first line of each citation will be flush left while the subsequent lines will be indented. This is a key requirement for MLA formatting. Finally, once you've made these adjustments, click Apply and there you have it. You now have a hanging indent in your works cited page. Your citations should now look polished and professional, ready for submission. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.